Hi, this is a video to walk you through how SafeAssign works. So just for an example, in the week one module, I put a sample safe assignment. This will be similar to your mini research paper. So when you click on an assignment, it'll give you all the details. For example, I didn't set a due date, but I did enable SafeAssign and set unlimited attempts. Tells me the maximum points are 75. I can scroll down and that's all. So now I view assessment. Okay, so I'm just going to put in a sample so we can have it processed through SafeAssign and get an idea of what a report looks like. So you click add content, and then the easiest way is to go into your computer and choose a file. So I'll do that now. Okay, so I'm putting in the instructions to the assignment. It gives you an option to change the name if you'd like. Make sure the assignment's in there. Again, you can write any kind of message to me if you'd like, but really we want the paper to go through SafeAssign. So let's submit. So after I submit, I can't edit this assignment, but again, I set it unlimited attempts, and I'll show you how that works. So I click submit. Here is my submission. And I can either click on the submission that I've already completed, and again, that's through going through the assignment link. So click on the assignment link, and I could start attempt 2, and I'll go ahead and just do that so you guys can see what that also looks like. So this time I just put in the biomodel assignment just so we could have another one to look at. So I've submitted, I click submit, and now okay, so now we can see I have 2 submitted attempts, but what's really important here is I want to view the report before I submit my final paper to the final link. So I can view attempt 1 or attempt 2. I'll just go ahead and view attempt 1 so we can see what that looks like. Okay, so again, it tells you and me exactly when it was submitted. And again, this was just a trial to use SafeAssign. So here's the assignment, and again, your paper would be displayed there. As you can see, it's the instructions to the assignment. Now, what we're looking at over here is on the right. So they're telling me it's high risk. It's 85% matching something else. So that's a concern, right? So let's click here and see what happens. Okay, so this looks similar to the way I used to use SafeAssign, but let's go ahead and scroll down. We're looking for highlighted areas. So look at this area here. It's basically saying the whole rubric is coming up as plagiarized. And that could be for numerous reasons. Maybe a student already put this rubric into the system. Let's go ahead and click here and see what happens. So, student paper, yes, all of these students had previously put in the rubric and a link for SafeAssign, and therefore it's coming up as plagiarized. They must have never put in the description of the assignment, which is why that's not coming up. Now you can click on highlighted areas. It tells you what your paper, student paper, mini research paper instructions. The original source, though, that it's saying is copied from said mini research paper rubric. So again, it's slightly different. That's why it's showing a 69% match. Let's scroll down and see what the other ones. Rubric, 100% match. You said it and the original source said it. And again, it's highlighted already. You can click on number 2. This said weak overall approach. This says just the analyzes part, right? So it's 85% matching. So if for some reason I decided, all of that is fine, we can, as an instructor, clear all of that and reprocess it through SafeAssign. So if I go back to Blackboard, again, your paper's listed here. You can see the other attempt if you go back. But please use this link. And again, it may come up that you have matching to yourself as you use this rough draft link. Don't panic. Go ahead and continue on as long as you know those sections are correct. Thank you and good luck with the assignment.